Hi guys, I have to apologize for doing this way, but my Google Hangout didn't want to participate or even call help me out with anything. So this is my option I had in order to get this done. We are being asked to prepare the closing entries for the temporary account at August 31st. Also ahead of time, I want to apologize because I went and submitted my work on this and I shouldn't have. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just submitted that. But here we start by doing our closed revenue accounts, and we start by adding our service revenue for 35,380, followed by our rent revenue at 12,910. And after we sum this up, we get a total of 48,290. We move on down to our expenses, and we start off by putting our income summary right at the very top and under our debit section. And obviously, as you can see, that we put our closed revenue accounts balance at our credit section. And as we look on down here, we are putting our salary and wages expenses, our supply expenses, rent expenses, insurance expenses, and depreciation, which our salary and wages came down to or up to 18,280. Our supply expenses at $1,020. Our rent expenses at 13,993, and our insurance expenses at 1,450, and our depreciation at 1,200. After we add all these up, it gives us a total of 35,943. And we continue on moving on to our total close income slash loss. And what we did right here, we subtracted our expenses of 35,943 from our revenue of 48,290, leaving us with 12,347. And right here on this section, this must zero out. Since these was our revenues and expenses, they have to equal or zero out. So we under our income summary, we debited our 12,347, and under retained earnings, we credited our 12,347. We are left with our dividends, and as you can see right up here, as we scroll back up, our dividends have a normal balance of 2,940, and we did the same thing that we did as with our close income. We debited the 2,940 from our retained earnings, and on our dividends, we credit that to our dividends at 2,940.